Hi guys, welcome to another LivinginSAtv video. David here, and guess what? Today we're gonna do Remington house because the place is literally done. So we really need to show you guys that what happens here is just overwhelming, amazing, guys. Again, stay tuned because once again this video will blow your minds. Just stunning, eh? You guys need to see photos of this place, how it was looking like before, guys. It is day and night. Fantastic. The building was already done a year ago. They already have Vida Via Africa restaurant right here. Look at this. Let's see inside, guys. Let's see inside, because now it's completely done. Okay, so this is also, they opened here a corner shop. Majority of the people living here are also students. But there you go, guys. How's it? How are you? Just doing a video about the building. Look at this, very nice. I want to mention, look how the pavement looks. No hawkers, nothing, zero. Also have a generator there. Stunning. So you can see some stores also here. This all make part of the same property. And they also have, they have like a garage. But look at this, it's shining, guys. Incredible. Okay, so you guys see there are stores here to rent. And this is the main entrance, guys. This is the entrance. And then, look at this, very nice. You guys can see there is also cameras. This is the entrance, guys. Very nice. Remington house. Very nice. Sure, guys, this was terrible. I'm telling you. Look at this, brand new elevators. Look at this. Classy. Okay, so this has 15 floors. And we're going up. Show, guys, yo, this is fantastic. So this is the garage. Oh wow, and smells good, eh? They cleaning there, proper service, eh? So this place came a long time since I was here. So this is the garage, guys. You see, one developer pushes another. More people want money coming to the city. And guys, this is how we transform things. Think about it. Look at that one. That was also revamped. Oh, very nice. Okay, guys, so this is going to be the gym. So a lot of stuff going on. This is really cool. Show the difference in between this building and everything around it, guys. Okay, financing affordable rental housing in urban areas, guys. TUHF. Oh, it's the UHF. Get them the... Nice. Look at that, so close to the Marble Tower and the Johannesburg Sand Towers. It was smelling so good, guys, because the washing machines are here. This is the 15th floor. Oh wow, look at this view. Look at this view, guys. Look at this, the stairs, everything is really well done, eh? Remember, guys, they have their own water system in case there is water shedding, and they also have generators. Oh wow. And there is also like houses up here. Can we see these houses? Or they are fully occupied? They're already occupied. Okay, cool. We don't want to mess people's privacy. But look at this. Today the wind is picking up. So wow. Imagine this at night. It's be so interesting. This is how it looks, the corridors. Thank you so much. There you go. Remember, this is a student accommodation. This is everything that the kids need, literally. Oh, love the smell of paint. Okay guys, so the prices go from 4.6 to 5.2. What they did on this building is impressive. So just look at this view. It's also FCO building and CID there. Wow. So this is a working station here.
You can open.
Can I? Okay, let me just. Oh, houseman, how are you?
This one you have the key.
This is where they hang the clothes, which makes sense. You do it downstairs, you bring it upstairs.
Bring you the key for this.
Okay, sure. Very nice. They really took good care of the people here on the building. Even playing. Look at everything around here, how it looks like. And then we got Remington House. By the way, that's one of the biggest hotels in the CBD. It's called the Hallmark Hotel. Okay, let me show you guys. Look at this chill out area. They got installed now a TV. It was already taken care of. So, you see how can we give new life to all of this, guys? Okay, so this is the bigger room. So this place came miles, like miles, guys, miles. This is like beautiful, guys. Oh wow. Very happy to see this. Small place, could be a vanity, could be a study, could be anything. 2 beds, all that you need. I like this. Look at these beautiful spacious corridors, okay? Okay, so this must be the biggest one. This is not bad, not at all. I love to see these things. Here you go, guys, that's what we're gonna see today. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. You guys need to see photos of before and after. Guys, guess what? We're done. Make sure you share, subscribe and destroy that like button, and we'll see you in the next LivinginSAtv video.